Rent the Larson Electronics Megatower today. The Megatower is equipped with 16 high-powered LED lights secured on an adjustable mast for large-scale illumination. The lights are powered by a genset. You can use this portable system in areas when power is unavailable. The entire unit is towable via a 21-foot trailer for easy transportation and deployment in hard-to-reach locations. Check out our complete selection of Megatowers at Larson Electronics. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.